noise ringing all around. Is that what they refer to as the other Norton sound? It's like a three-ring circus starring four-legged clowns. We're just guessing this effect cause they're the ones who hold the ground. Howling for the starting count, itching to get out and run, up for it whatever the cause. Life is all a happy race, it's hard to keep a somber face when everywhere you look there's just dogs, dogs, dogs. Noses to the ground, dogs, dogs. No sedentary hounds. You may not have a theory of what makes the world go round, but people here will tell you that it's dogs, dogs, dogs. Hey. Lend them your ears and they'll lend you a tail. But once you let them turn it, you can kiss their holy grail. Cause they can move out rather quickly where the earth meets the sky. Hundreds line the start up just to watch the bird fly. Husky kisses for the missus as the mystery unveils. They're bursting for whatever arises on the trail. They got short hair, long hair, blue eyes or brown. All got one thing in common, they live to cover ground. Tongues and lungs and frosty toes, vapor puffing from their noses, people blowing kisses and calls. You see the spirit in their eyes, hear the yearning in their cries. Let us do our thing with just dogs, dogs, dogs. Woo. Ladies and gents, I give you dogs, dogs. Some yap and some content. You may have come some distance for this serious event, but life is just a party when it's dogs, dogs, dogs. Oh yeah. Straight face when every